Welcome to this video tutorial. From previous tutorial, we learned how to use the section view in SolidWorks. In today's lesson, we're gonna have a look of how to use the detail view. I can use the detail view in surfaces where things are difficult to see. So I can use detail command to have a better understanding of what's going on there. Let's start using the detail view. You can find the detail view in the view layout, detail view, or you can go to insert, drawing view, and select the detail. You will notice a circle next to your cursor. That means that I'm in the process of creating a detail view. So let's click here in the middle of this circle once and click one more time to end the process. You can move your cursors to a point where you want to locate your detail view. You can always modify anything on the section view from this detail view manager list here. I can even change the scale from 1 to 2, 1 to 5, or whatever is your preferences. This scale is a default scale. I can change this by going to default settings, go to setting options, drawing section, and here you can change the value of the detail view scaling. You can modify the section view whenever you want. Click once on this circle. You can increase or reduce the area where you want to focus on. I can also move the circle by clicking on the center, on the point, click and drag it. The reason that this circle doesn't move is because when I click here to create the detail view, this detail view was attached to the center of this circle. So let's start again and create one more detail view to see the difference. Detail view, let's create a detail view here. So if I click here right now, I'm gonna create a relation of the detail view on this line, and then I'm not gonna be able to move it. Same here. If you notice, there is a yellow symbol that means concentric and midpoint. If I click there, I'm not gonna be able to move my detail view away. So let's create the detail view here. And now let's move it. So as you can see, now I'm free to move it anywhere I want. Notice that if you move it to another area, to another drawing view, it's not gonna be appear. So once you click on this single drawing, the detail view is gonna work only for this drawing. You have to use the detail view command one more time to create on a different drawing. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Next tutorial, we're gonna have a look of how to use a dimension in drawing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.